Hi everyone, welcome back to the Page Object Model series. This is the fourth video in the series. If you have not watched the first three videos yet, I highly recommend you to check them out first, okay? As I've explained everything from the scratch, okay? Okay, in this video, we are going to take the next step. That is, I will be creating a checkout page class and we will validate the product name that was added to the cart in the previous section in the previous video. Okay, so here we will make sure that product we added to the cart appears correctly on the checkout page. Okay, okay, let's get started. So what we want to do is, in the previous video we added product to the cart. Now we want to click on this checkout icon. Okay, so now what we need to do, first we need to inspect this element and keep the locator. Okay, okay, so let us inspect the element. So it has a class shopping cart link. I'll take the class name. So here I will add this locator in the products page. Okay, as this icon is in the products page, I have to keep this locator in the products page. Private, I will name it as checkout button is equal to, this is a class, so I'll put dot. Okay, okay, so now what I need to do, I want to click on this. Okay, so let us create a method to click on the checkout button. Okay, so I'll correct the spelling checkout. Okay, so how to create a method using async keyword. Async method name is, I will say, click on checkout button. Okay, so here await this dot page dot locator. I want to click on this checkout button. I'll copy that and say this dot the locator, this dot locator dot click. Okay, so here I have clicked on this checkout button. Okay, okay, so once I click on that checkout button, now I came to this checkout page. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to create another class called checkout page. Okay, okay, so let us create another class, another page. So we'll call it checkout page. Checkout page dot ts. Okay. Okay. So as you know, we have to import two things. One is test and page, and another one is base page. Import test and page. I'll type once again. Import test and page from Playwright test and capital P. And I want to import base page. Base page from base page. Okay, okay, so now we'll create a class. So we know we have to use export keyword. So export class name is checkout page. Checkout page, and you know we have to extend it from base page. Okay, okay, so now what we need to do, we need to create a constructor for this class. So constructor page, you know why I'm doing this, super page. Okay, so now I need to inspect this product name and keep it in some variable. Okay. Okay. So the locator is class inventory item name. Private. So variable name, I will say item name is equal to inventory name. Okay. Okay. So now what I need to do, I need to validate that. So whatever the product name I'm seeing here, it should it should match with the product name I sent to cart. Okay. So as you know, we should not do any validation in the checkout page. We should always do validation in the test file. Okay. So this is a page class. We should not do any validation. We should, if any validation is required, we have to do it in the test file where there is spec.ts. Okay. So now what I will do, I will create a method and I will send the product name. Okay. I will return the product name, and in this test file I will validate that the product name is what I sent. Okay. 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 So now let me create a method. Async get the method name, I will call it get product name in cart. Product name in cart, and I will resolve promise. It's of type string. You know, so because the product name is string type, so I'm saying string. Okay. And here I'll return. So what I'm returning, I want to return the product name. Okay. So you know, this method returns a promise and the promise is of type string. Okay. Okay. So return await this dot page dot locator. So the locator is item name. So what I need to do, I need to get the text of it, correct? So dot text content. I need to extract the text so that I can compare. Okay. So question mark dot trim. It will remove any extra spaces. Okay. Or I will use logical or operator. Okay. Okay. So if it does not find any locator, I mean, if it does not find any item in the cart, it should not return null or unidentified. Okay. Sorry, undefined. Okay. So now what I need to do, so I will create an object for this checkout page in the test file. Const, I will say cart is equal to new checkout page. So first I need to import the checkout page. Import, what I need to import? I need to import checkout page. Checkout page from source demo checkout page. Correct. Okay. So now I'll create an object for this class. New checkout page and page. Okay. So now what I'll do, first I need to click on this from the product page. I need to click on this checkout button. Okay. So I've created an object in the product page. I've already added this product in my previous video. So now I will click on that checkout icon, this checkout button. Await product dot click on checkout button. So I clicked on checkout button. Now I'll keep this method, this get product in cart, in some variable. Okay. Okay. Await cart dot get product name in cart, and I will store this in product name variable. Const product name. Okay, so now I will do the assertion. Expect product name to be what I sent in the add to cart button. Sorry, what I sent in my previous video, that added this product. Okay, so now let us execute this. So the spec file name is login to source demo. Please to practice this, and if you're stuck at any step, please do comment. Launch the URL. So as we can see, Sauce Labs flea jacket is added to the cart. Okay. 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 So if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.